जी, क्या हाल है आप सबके। तो आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं लिंक लिस्ट की प्रॉब्लम। लिंक्ड लिस्ट, नॉट लिंक लिस्ट, लिंक्ड लिस्ट। क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आज हम समझने वाले भी हैं लिंक लिस्ट कैसे काम करती है। ठीक है, तो 1 for 1 लिंक लिस्ट साइकिल। साइकिल मतलब घूमते रहना है बार बार। ठीक है, given had the head of the linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the linked list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, pause is used to denote the index of the node that tells next pointer in the connect to. Note that pause is not passed as a parameter. Okay. Then return true if there is a cycle in the linked list. Otherwise, return false. Okay. If you find a cycle, then return true. If you do not find a cycle, otherwise you return a false. How you determine it is a cycle or not? So we can see here example number 1 had equal to 3 2. Yeah, we can denote the node like this: 3 2 0 minus 4. These are all nodes will be connected each other through you can say branch. These are the leaf or branch, you can say this leaf. Okay, so we have the number 3 2 0 minus 4. Okay, and then position equal to 1. If is it true or not, we can check here. So there is a cycle in the linked list where the tail connect to the first node 0 index. How is it connecting to the first node? Let me quick see the example number 2 had equal to 1 comma 2 1 comma 2, then position 0 true. ओके, जीरो पे अगर हमसे पोजिशन मतलब इसकी पोजीशन जो होगी जीरो पे, अगर हम इसे कनेक्ट करेंगे तो कनेक्ट हो जाएगा। देयर इज साइकिल इन लिंक लिस्ट वेयर टेल कनेक्ट टू द जीरो नोड। व्हाई? बिकॉज हियर इज ओनली वन index which is 0 and position equal to -1, which is only index, and we cannot traverse, and we cannot make any other index in this, any other node in this. We cannot determine any position in this here, because there is only one position in this example. Okay, then it will be false. There is no cycle in the linked list. Here the problem is 3 2 0 minus 4. Okay, so what can we do here? What can we do? हम यहाँ क्या कर सकते हैं? हम वो we can store every node in a set. Yes, set, we are going to solve this in set Python, and set is a data type which is only only store the value who is unique. Only unique value stores set. Okay, then if the same node find again, then it will be a cycle. Okay, this is the brute force approach. We can store every node in set, and if we find again that node, and then it will be a cycle. ठीक है जी। तो आज के लिए मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी काफी है भाई, बहुत इंग्लिश होगी, इतना काफी है। इतने से इतनी इंग्लिश में तो मैं सरक जाऊंगा। हाँ जी, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सबसे पहले हम सेट ले लेते हैं, एक डेटा वेरिएबल बना लेते हैं सेट का। ठीक है, तो हम क्या बना सकते हैं, कोई भी एक ले लेते हैं, मान लो एम ले लेते हैं। ठीक, एम सेट, इस पे हम स्टोर कर लेते हैं। ठीक, और एक और वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं हम शुरू से यहाँ से, बिकॉज दिस इज द लिंक लिस्ट एंड वी आर ट्रैवर्सिंग फ्रॉम देयर हेयर टू देयर। ओके, and this is head, and this is tail, and this is leaves. Means branches. These two are branches. Okay, this is tail and this is head. तो हमारी करंट पोजीशन क्या होगी, वो होगी हेड। ठीक, or obviously we are solving the linked list, then we can use head as a predefined predefined variable, predefined function of the linked list. ओके, हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम एक वेरिएबल बनाएंगे करंट और इक्वल टू हेड को स्टोर करा देंगे उसमें, ठीक है। तो करंट जब तक करंट है भाई, चल रहा है, मतलब करंट पर पोजीशन है, इफ करंट इज इन इन एम, जब तक कि जो भी हमारा इंडेक्स है वो एम के अंदर है, तब हमें क्या करना है, रिटर्न ट्रू कर देना है, ठीक। अगर नहीं है तो ऐड कर दो भाई, एम डॉट ऐड करंट, ऐड कर दिया। इसके बाद में करंट इक्वल टू, करंट को नेक्स्ट पे पहुंचा दो, ठीक, करंट डॉट नेक्स्ट, ठीक है जी। इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, हम रिटर्न फॉल्स कर देंगे, सीधे सिंपल रिटर्न फॉल्स। ओके, अगर कोई भी हमें साइकिल नहीं मिलती है। अब हम इसे रन करके देखते हैं भाई, चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा, क्या लगता है, चलेगा, चल गया भाई, चल गया। सबमिट करके देख लेते हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सबमिट दिस। Actually, I want to improve my English speaking and reading also. That's why I will be record my videos in only in English. I will be try my best in speaking in English, and of course I created the this channel only for English and improve my English. But from last 2 or 3 months, I am not regularly posting in English. Actually, I try to record videos English, but that not happen. That not. But from now, I will be upload in only in English, or I can use some words in Hindi also. But most of the words, most of the sentence I will be using English only. Okay. सबमिट भी हो गया है, अरे भाई, वाओ, submitted. Now it's submitted and we are beating 13.17% of people, of not people, submissions. Okay. Then also we have one another option. We can choose two-pointer approach, and it will be more optimized version if we use two-pointer approach. And let me show you two-pointer approach. What can we do? We will create two variable. One is head, ठीक है, m, and another is, एक मिनट, wait a second, n equal to head, another m also equal to head. Why? Because both pointers are located here on 3. But what we do? We are going to we are going to move one by one, and for we are going to move n for one step and m for two step on every step. Okay, and while m and m dot next, because we are moving m to 2 step, that's why n equal to n dot next, and m equal to m dot, we are moving two steps. Okay, then next dot next. Then if n equal to m, return true, Otherwise, return false. Now let's check it will work or not. I think it should work, and I think yes, it is working well. I'm not gonna hide the code. Okay, I'm submitting the code also. Yes, this is working. This is working. I think it is quite as much as good from last code. We can see here this is beating 16.74 and my last code was beating 13.17% of submissions. So it is kind of better approach, and in memory it is beating 97.65% of submissions, and this code is kind of optimized from the last code. Okay, so this was the problem for today, and I will do another. I will upload another problem. I will solve another problem tomorrow, and I will upload tomorrow another problem on linked list. And of course, this was an easy problem, so this was not take as much as time. I think we have 11 minutes of video. I'm gonna upload this without any cuts in this video. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, then hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like. Okay. Thank you guys. Good night. Bye bye.